It's Monday. I don't even know what day it is. April 5th, 6th, I'm not sure. I'm down in St. Charles along the Missouri River. That's the main street down that way. Kind of cool. Cloudy morning. With this virus thing, it's I don't know what the hell's going on anymore. But I think it's all pretty stupid myself. This is a Lewis and Clark boat launch or boathouse museum, which I will not be going in. There's a boat coming upstream here I've never seen before, and it's rare to see them on the Missouri anyway. There's actually two of them. One of them I had a video before, and that would be the Mary Lynn, and the other one, it says it's called the Far West, which I have not seen before. Okay, we just got the video done of the Mary Lynn. Now we got the Far West at St. Charles, Missouri, on the Missouri River. And let's see how fast she's going here. It's only doing 3 miles an hour. It's under about a half a mile. I can see it out there ahead here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but just ahead of the tows coming into view. So we got the Far West. The Far West. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe.